Chennai Super Kings and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Now, if you just look at the points table and not at the respective team sheets, you would say that there's nothing to choose between the two. It must be a clash amongst the equals because both teams, after 7 games into the tournament, have won 5 apiece. 10 points in the kitty, both are in the top half, and there's really nothing that separates the two sides. But now have a look at the team sheet, and the story will be completely different. Uh, Chennai Super Kings haven't really left a base uncovered. They've got a very strong Indian contingent. Murli Vijay may not be firing as much as they would have liked, but still, he's a quality player. You've got Subramaniam Badrinath, you've got Suresh Raina, who's come to the party now. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has been phenomenal form. You've got Ravichandran Ashwin, who's again a brilliant T20 cricketer, and Ravindra Jadeja. Add to that a few quality overseas players. Michael Hussey at the top, who's constantly rewinding the clock. You've got Chris Morris, who's done well. Albie Morkel, Dwayne Bravo, similar kind of players. So they can always choose one between the two. Bravo is getting the nod more often than not because of the quality that he's bringing to the table and more the performances also. You've got Dirk Nannes. So they've got enough people there to choose from. And now go to the other side and have a look at Sunrisers Hyderabad. They've already dropped their captain. Sangakkara is not really playing in the 11 anymore. It's Cameron White who's leading the side, and there isn't enough quality. Yes, their bowling has done well. Yes, they have exceeded all the expectations. 5 wins definitely mean a lot, but now they're getting to a stage where they're expected to win. Previously, nobody expected anything from them, so there wasn't any pressure. But now is the time when they'll start feeling that pressure a little bit more with every passing game. And you have to bear one more thing in mind while they're taking on the Chennai Super Kings, that one of their best performers is not available for tonight's game. The game is in Chennai, and Thisira Pereira cannot play because he's a Sri Lankan. And I think that's a major blow to their chances. He's someone who's bowled well, who's batted well, and has provided the right balance. To replace a player like him, I think they will be struggling. Good news, maybe Shikhar Dhawan is back and he might just take field, but then he's coming back from an injury. So to expect him to really hit the ground running is slightly ambitious. And even if it does, he won't be able to replace the quality of or the variety of Thisira Pereira's skill set. A bowler, a batsman, you need two people to replace him. So I think in this game, I'm going to call Chennai Super Kings at their home venue. They've always done well, and Sunrisers Hyderabad, for all the good work that they've done so far, they are starting this game as the second best. And with Thisira Pereira not available, I think it'll be Chennai Super Kings who will go on to win this one.